Okay folks, so we're back again. Today we're gonna show you how to change out your shower valve. This one was changed out a few weeks ago, I believe, and the homeowner doesn't like it. It's a, it's a little dainty one. It's kind of has a funny little swivel to it. So we're gonna put back a bigger head that is, that the homeowner likes. So this is right here. So this is a threaded pipe. This pipe is coming from inside the wall on a 90, on a drop gear 90 that's supported in the wall, and that screws out. So a lot of times you do want to almost back this up, but sometimes you don't have to. You can almost just loosen it from right here. So you get the nut that's going on the thread here. What you want to do is you can either use the smaller one or you could go with the bigger one. Grab it here. A lot of times too, it does scratch, so try to be nice and soft and don't just get nice and easy is what you really want to do. Or you could put a rag on that while you twist it. This right here screws right off. This is a simple one. Some people at home might already know how to do this. Maybe there's a lot of people at home that maybe don't, and have to think that they have to get a plumber or something and they don't know how to exchange the head. So that's what it is. It's basically a threaded connection and a threaded deal here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put some clean this up a little bit here. Sometimes it has a little bit of leftover Teflon tape or debris. The seal's not really in the Teflon tape on this one, but sometimes it's a common deal where guys will put some Teflon tape on here just for a little extra protection. So let me get some Teflon tape. Right in here. And with the Teflon tape, you want to go with the thread. So the thread's going this way, so you want to go ahead and get your tape and apply it in the same direction so it doesn't roll off. So this goes here like so. Give it a couple of whirls. Kind of get next to right here, this edge, because this is where mostly all the part is getting tightened up. Everything else in the back's not really getting too much. So a couple of good wraps should do it. And let me get the new head. And kind of the same thing. A lot of times they'll have a notch or something too, so where you could put the wrench. Sometimes the head or this part is you might want to have to spin with it. Sometimes this will turn nice and easy. Sometimes it'll be nice and tight. And I want to check to see if that's how we put it on. But I want to see if we have a new washer. Make sure that there's a washer inside here. There's a black washer that goes in there. Make sure that that's in there nice and snug in there, and that'll give it a good little seal in there. Okay. A lot of times too, like I said, sometimes it's a problem where you can almost grab this just to hold it. This will be here. Let me see if the folks at home can see it. I'm trying to give it a nice little snug. But you don't want to crank it too much. You don't want to scrape it either, because with the channel locks, you can give it a little scrape, So let's see how that one goes. And you can test it. Sometimes or not, you might get a little leak, and sometimes it'll be good to go. Right there, it seems like it's pretty good. This one does have an adjustment. So let's see if the other one will work. Main thing is that it's not leaking back in here, and we're able to still adjust it. It's nice and tight, nice and here, no leak, and that's how you replace your shower head. Okay, so this is Greg again with some educational videos. We're actually going to have some class demonstrations later, and stay tuned, and please try to get as much people to subscribe so we can keep on bringing you nice videos. We're going to bring some good ones that are actually class, inside class, and we're going to show you guys how to hang pipe and do all kinds of other stuff for homeowners and for anybody that is interested to learn more plumbing. We'll be back in a little bit, and this is Greg. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the next video.